Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a flannel board at home. Start by laying out your plywood or foam board and cutting flannel with a margin for wrapping. Press fabric glue on the surface, smooth the flannel tightly, and secure edges with staples or heavy-duty glue. Check for lumps and reflatten as needed. Keep your workspace clean and test small felt pieces to confirm the surface holds pieces well. Begin by choosing a size that fits your storytelling needs and storage space. Cut the board straight, then center the flannel and pull it taut across the top. Fold corners carefully and either staple them on the back or apply fabric glue along the perimeter for a clean finish. Allow glue to dry fully before handling. Test the finished board with felt shapes and adjust tension if pieces slide or bunch. For engaging stories, cut felt into characters, props, and scenery, and add simple stitched details or glued accents for durability. Consider layering felt or adding small Velcro tabs to make pieces easier to move and reposition. Store sets in clear envelopes or a divided craft box so you can quickly find matching pieces during storytelling. Rotate themes to keep content fresh and involve kids in making new pieces for creative ownership.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.